Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are baking a burst of sunshine into our lives with these scrumptious orange cupcakes. In a large bowl, add 2 room temperature eggs, some sugar, orange zest, combine it really well, and some vegetable oil. Once everything is well combined, add in dry ingredients like all-purpose flour and baking powder. Mix it. Now add in some orange juice. This adds an incredible depth and flavor and aroma. Now our cupcake batter is ready. Divide the batter evenly among cupcake liners and bake it for around 18 to 20 minutes in a 180-degree preheated oven. Once our cupcakes are completely cool, we'll frost them with a simple buttercream frosting. So for that, blend some room temperature butter with some orange zest and powdered sugar. Pour in some orange juice. Blend it really well till it becomes very creamy and smooth. Now add the orange buttercream frosting on top of the cupcakes. Add some orange zest and an orange slice. And that's it. Delicious orange cupcakes, perfect for springtime or any occasion. Thanks for baking with us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more sweet treats.